Welcome to Dream Doors, Nuneaton Coventry. My name is David. Dream Doors is the largest independent kitchen refurbishment company in the UK. What we offer is unique. We can replace your whole kitchen, or we can replace your doors made to measure to fit your existing cabinets. We can also replace your sink, taps and worktops. We can do as little or as much as you require. At Dream Doors we work with leading kitchen manufacturers such as Bosch, Neff, Samsung, Blanco and Franke. We can offer several different types of worktop: laminate, real wood, quartz, granite, seamless wharf and Minerva. Although Dream Doors is a national business, we have 84 showrooms nationwide. Each of these is a family-run business employing local tradesmen and local staff. We are located in Attleborough, Nuneaton, and there's plenty of free parking locally. You are more than welcome to pop along to our showroom, have a cup of tea and discuss the great products we have for you. Looking forward to seeing you on our new Coventry and Nuneaton store.